Hello everyone. Today I'm doing a quick test to see how keycaps affect the sound of a keyboard. This certainly won't be a scientific video, but I thought it would be helpful for somebody buying new keycaps. I gathered a few sets that I have laying around and I recorded sound tests on my modded Yunzii KC68. I tested the matcha, mint, botanical, marshmallow, honey milk, and the cheap stock keycaps that come on most budget boards. I also want to mention that you should keep in mind that the sound in this video will most likely not exactly match your keyboard with these keycaps, depending on the plate material, the case, the foam, or the lack thereof. It's not an exact science recording these videos, but it'll give you an idea what the keycaps sound like. With that said, let's see what the difference came out like. I'll play the videos back to back so you can hear the difference between them easier. Tell me what you think of the sound, and also let me know which keycap set you like the most. I'm curious to know. I also recorded a quick sound test of me typing on the keyboard with a bunch of the different keycaps on it. I think it turned out okay. I mean, it just sounds like a normal typing test, but I recorded it and here it is. I hope you enjoyed those sound tests, and thanks for sticking around. Have a good one.